Breathe. A burst of fresh air. Can you feel that? The voice of nature resounding. Can you hear that? Her aura calls out peace to all living creatures. Her thick vines create goosebumps all over. The trees clap at her presence, the waters sing at her command, the virgin ground awaiting its time. Breathe. Again, I say, come little fellow, the grasses, the plant, the evergreen leaves blossoming. One could try to understand her beauty, but still end up void. The blue sky loves to romance her, the sun delights to rest on her shoulders, the rain yields increase to her. Mother Nature. She stands with pride, growing and glowing in the earth, greener than ever in the midst of the storm. She stands. Breathe. Again, I say, and feel Mother Nature.